ADAMH is dedicated to promoting mental health and wellness in our community with a focus on prevention and intervention within local schools. Joining us to tell us more is Jean Alaco from Tremont Elementary, Dr. Kathy E. Lee, the Director of Wellbeing Prevention and Intervention for Upper Arlington City Schools, and Larissa Gilbert, School Prevention and Special Programs Coordinator for Syntero, Inc. Thank you guys all for being here today.
Thank you.
So Kathy, I'm going to start with you. Tell us about how Upper Arlington, Syntero, and ADAMH all partner together to serve Upper Arlington City School students.
Absolutely. Upper Arlington, Syntero, and ADAM have had a long-standing relationship of 12 years.
Wow.
They serve our 5 elementary buildings, which is inclusive of 3,050 students that they're providing services for. And they're really targeting on collaborating with us to meet the needs of our prevention services. And in this case, that sets our students up to be ready and able to learn. It's part of our profile of an engaged learner.
Oh, that's fantastic. And so, Jean, I want to ask you, what are some of the specific mental and behavioral health needs that are most common with elementary age students?
Sure. Usually at this age, there's friendship kinds of things, social skills, some worries, anxieties, and then also just understanding emotions and feelings and how to help regulate yourself.
Nice. And then Larissa, so what Syntero school-based prevention programming is available for elementary students in Upper Arlington?
Yeah, so Syntero collaborates with the school counselors to identify different prevention services and needs. That could look like classroom lessons, group interventions, brief short-term individual sessions, professional development, or parent workshops. We provided over the summer professional development with Upper Arlington Start Strong program, which was a professional development for district staff. We provided 2 presentations, one on trauma-informed care and the other on intergenerational trauma. In the past school year, we served over 400 elementary students on a tiered prevention support, so that was either individual, group, or classroom lessons. Some feedback we've received from parents is just students being able to express and talk through how they're feeling, being able to use healthy coping skills when they are getting upset or having a hard time regulating. And students have also said they feel more confident being able to talk about how they're feeling and know and learn tools to help when they are feeling stressed and overwhelmed.
It's so important you guys are teaching elementary school students these important coping skills. Amazing. How do school counselors and Syntero collaborate to support students during the school and in the summer? You kind of touched on that a little bit.
Yeah, so Larissa and I have actually worked together for about 10 years at our building. So we do a lot of collaboration. She comes in twice a week and we discuss students' needs, even planning a lot of like groups and supporting me to be able to serve the needs of all of our students. We've done classroom lessons. I do classroom lessons and then she helps sometimes with those extra lessons. Individually, we work with our staff. We provide professional development for our staff also.
We collaborate, share resources, and also just bounce ideas off of each other. In some of the other buildings, we do have clinicians there in various days of the week, but they also do the same things, collaborate, work with the school counselors to identify the best needs and supports that are needed for that population at that building. During the summer, Syntero offers school-based prevention services through funding through ADAMH board, and it's offered to all of our partner schools, and that's for students K through 12, so they continue to learn those skills and strategies during the summer.
And Jean, why is it important to start these prevention services in elementary school as opposed to waiting for middle school or high school?
Right. I always think of it this way and talk to the students about building that toolbox, right? Of understanding and basic needs of how to get along, how to manage conflict, and so that as they grow and develop, they have those social skills and ability to do that and support themselves so that they're ready to learn.
That's fantastic. Well, Dr. Kathy, Jean, Larissa, thank you all so much for what you're doing in Upper Arlington City Schools and also for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And viewers, you guys can all go to adamhfranklin.org/schools for more information. We'll be right back.